guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully all of you are doing fine. Today I'm going to be doing a colorful makeup look, and yeah. Okay guys, so I already did my eyebrows, as you can tell already, and today I'm going to be using the 39 Hit the Lights palette, and it's pretty big and colorful. I had used this palette a couple of times, so this is how it looks. It's really colorful. So I already primed my lids, so I'm going to get started. I'll be listing the names of the shades onto the corner or somewhere around so that y'all can know what eyeshadow I used. So yeah. So I'm going to be using the M452 eyeshadow brush. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using Secure and Agent and putting that in the middle of my lid. Now I'm going to be using this shade right here. It's like a yellow shade, like a neon yellow. I am going to be combining it with this access color. Where is it? That's this one. I'm going to be using this shade right here. It looks like a pomegranate color, and I'm going to put that underneath my lid. Okay, now I'm gonna put some blue. Before I go, I'm going to try to put white eyeliner underneath my waterline, so hopefully it stays. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing my eyeliner in black. So I was able to put the white eyeliner underneath my waterline, but you just gotta be really careful. So now I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, well, my wing eyeliner off camera, just to save time and because my camera's dying. Anyway, so right now I'm going to be putting my eyelashes on, and I'm going to be using these. I already had used these, but anyways, they were $3.99 and I got them at the beauty supply store. Okay, so I switched through my phone because my camera died, and I haven't really played with the settings on my camera, so I feel like I don't have the right lighting, so that's why I like it on my phone. But these are the lashes, and I'm really like fucking with the look, you know. But overall, my makeup is almost done. Okay guys, so I'm going to be putting on some primer, and I'm going to be using the MAC Prep Prime. So it looks like that. Oh, it's so cold. So I'm going to be using the Morphe F230 matte. I'm going to So now that I put my foundation on, I'm going to start contouring my face. So I'm using the Morphe bronzer, and I'm just going to start applying that on my cheekbones. I'm going to apply some blush, and I've been using the e.l.f. blush lately. I'm going to bake a little bit. And I'm using the Bretman Rock today. Okay, I put the Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha, and I'm going to put the Beverly in the center. I use the NARS as well. Okay guys, so I'll be back. I'm going to my hair and then fix it up a little bit because it's a little, you know. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. Hopefully you enjoyed as I did, and if you really like this video, we'll give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button so that you could get notified every time I upload a new video. And that's pretty much it guys. Be safe, take care, see you in the next